Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing the error code and what you were doing. This narrows causes quickly. Next, make a Windows 10 recovery USB using the Media Creation tool so you can boot or repair. While the tool downloads, back up essential files to an external drive or cloud. Do this now to avoid data loss. Once the recovery USB is ready, reboot into BIOS/UEFI and set USB as first boot device. Then start the recovery environment to access repair options. Once in the recovery environment, start with Startup Repair, and if available, System Restore to roll back recent changes automatically. If problems persist, open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store corruption. Make sure to note any failed drivers. Uninstall recent updates or device drivers from the advanced options if they coincide with the crash. You should reboot into normal Windows and test for the original error under your typical workload. If it's fixed, update drivers and Windows, then run a full antivirus scan to prevent recurrence. If the issue returns, use Reset This PC to keep or remove files, which reinstalls Windows without complicated diagnostics. If even that fails, prepare for a clean install using your recovery USB. One key tip: if hardware faults are suspected, run memory and disk diagnostics before reinstalling to avoid repeating the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.